Kaguthiekeno kuria mbica teno ikoretwo ikiyumiria barabara-inĩ itiganite amwe andu aingi mari mihango-ini ya kuhatha cia guthie gukungwira mambura ma thiguku matura-ini.
Christmas holidays are here with us, and we the police are determined to make your holiday better by ensuring that you travel safely and reach destinations, and we are also ensuring that you are well guarded wherever you go.
Komanda wa borithi wa gitaru gia gatagati ga bururi Lydia Ligami agitongoria muongorerio wa guthurima ngari iria iragerera barabara-ini ya kuma Thika guthie Keno augite muhatĩkano wa ngari ukoretwo ugicungiririo ni matereba aingi gutwarithia ngari itakinyanirie ikiro cia gukorwo barabara-ini.
The traffic is well controlled, but the problems we're having is we're having a lot of stalled vehicles. Very many unroadworthy vehicles. So I'm urging Kenyans that before you travel, kindly have checks on your vehicles, mechanical checks before you travel, because we're having a lot of snarls because of such vehicles in the middle of the roads.
Ligami oho ni ikitie ritana kuri muingi akiuria andu makorwo na wimenyereri barabara-ini na metheme na uhuthiri wa njohi na oho mathingate mawatho ma barabara niguo gwithema na mitino iria kaingi yumagira hindi ya mambura ma thiguku.
We appeal to Kenyans that as you travel, adhere to road signs, traffic rules, and that you be considerate to other road users. Avoid overlapping, and especially where there are accidents, kindly do not overlap so that you allow us to clear the accidents for you to continue with your travel.
Kuringana na Ligami, borithi maricemba gutigirira ni magitira muingi na koguo mundu o wothe ukunyitikana na ihitia ria kwagarara watho wa barabara agukorwo agitacokerio makinya ma watho orio.